India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Nine arrested. One lady was arrested 2 days back. It's concentrated more or less in the north. South also we have got some complaints and we have got some FIRs transferred from South Goa district as well. But primarily the maximum number of lands which have come under the purview of investigation of SIT. Complaints are still receiving and it's an ongoing process. There are properties are big in size.
Sir, which area having maximum cases?
I already told it's Bades.
इतले मजगती अटक जाल्ल्या अमृत गोवेकराच्या जामीन अर्जाचेर सुनावणी जाली.
Consequently, when my client Amrut Govekar approached the crime branch, he was arrested by registering a new FIR, that is 66 of 22. Now, based on after the arrest, we have filed the bail application. The JMFC, it was before the JMFC, say was called, and in the meantime, the complainant or one of the complainant in the other crime, that is 139/22, had filed a application for intervention, which was not strictly objected by us. Now, after their intervention, the bail application was heard by the Leonard JMFC Mapsa, and today were the orders. Now, the court has passed orders in our favor, granting us bail with surety of 1 lakh rupees and reporting of 5 days after his release. Now the person who is claiming rights over the property does not have any document to substantiate his claim over the property. Amrut Govekar is an innocent purchaser, a bona fide purchaser. He has been wrongly dragged into this matter.
Bureau Report, Prudent.